Here we have opened the project we have been developing. There is an Android folder, and under the Android folder, there is an app folder. Please navigate to this. To create a distributable APK, you need to create a Keystore. However, you must save that Keystore in the Android app subdirectory. That's why I moved to the app folder. Next, enter the area with keytool, gen, key, pair, and hyphen, then store type as PKCs 12, and for the Keystore, input the desired Keystore name and alias. This step is crucial as it sets up the foundation for your security configuration. Then, set the key algorithm to RSA, key size to 2048, and key validity to 6 years. The RSA algorithm is widely used for its security and efficiency, and a key size of 2048 bits is considered secure for most applications. The key validity of 6 years ensures that your keys remain valid for a significant period, reducing the need for frequent updates. The only things you need to change are the Keystore name and alias to your preference. This customization allows you to easily identify and manage your keystores. After pressing enter, it will prompt you to enter a password. In my case, if you go to this site, it generates a password for you. Using a password generator ensures that your password is strong and difficult to guess, enhancing the security of your Keystore. Remove the symbol and click Generate Password to create a random password. Copy this and paste it here, then it will ask you to enter it again. This step verifies that you have entered the password correctly, preventing any errors during the process. After that, you can write your name, and I just put company. If you have an organization name, you can enter that as well. Including your name or organization name helps in identifying the owner of the Keystore, which can be useful for management and auditing purposes. If everything is correct, press Y to save. Now, the device mart. Keystore has been saved. This confirmation ensures that all your settings have been correctly applied and saved. Next, there is a file called Gradle Properties under the Android folder. Please open it. This file is essential for configuring your Android project settings. Then, enter the following. Since we created Device Mart Keystore, input Device Mart Keystore for the Keystore and Device Mart for the alias. The password you entered earlier should be inputted the same way above and below. Consistency in entering the password ensures that there are no mismatches, which could lead to errors during the build process. Save this, and then inside the app, in the Android app, there is a file called Build Gradle. This file is critical for defining the build configurations for your Android application. Ensuring that all these steps are followed correctly will help in setting up a secure and efficient development environment. There is a file. Please open it. Here, you will find the signing configs. Please enter debug, followed by release here. Next, when you look at the build type, it says signing config is set to signing configs debug. Please change it to release. Next, if you look at the package JSON, you'll see the command for generating the APK. I've set this up as a script. It's called an APK. Right now, I've moved to the terminal instead of VS Code, and I've opened the mirroring program. In this state, I've set it up so that when I type yarn APK, the APK will be generated. And not only that, if there is a connected device, it will be installed directly on that device. Let me run it once. It is now installed. After the APK has been built like this, it has been installed here. Now, where is the generated Android package kit APK? It's in the CD, Android, app, build, output, APK, and I almost forgot one here in the release. If you open it, you can see that a distributable Android package kit APK file has been created in the Android app, build, output, APK, release folder. So, After you finish with Android and complete the app, you can create this APK and install it on an Android embedded device or perhaps even a mobile device. This time I explained how to create a distributable Android package kit, APK. Next time I will explain what to do when using an Android embedded board, which is mostly for creating kiosks. Therefore, we need to maintain brightness, hide the status bar or navigation bar, or perhaps even make sure that our program runs automatically when the device is turned on. I will explain how to do these things next time. See you then.